Hi, and welcome to Earrings by Angela, where we learn, live, and create. This is our affirmation series, and I thank you for joining us today for this session. We are going to do our affirmations in a looped form, which means that we are going to continue to repeat the same affirmation over and over. I will say it first, and then you will repeat it after, right? Make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video because I have a very special message for you. And let's begin. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. Okay, you guys, so that ends our affirmation session for today. And here's the message that I have for you. Family is awesome. Family is awesome. I don't care how good or dysfunctional your family is. There, everything is still awesome because we all have that relative who is so funny, and then we all have the relative that's kind of dramatic, but they they really are the spice of life. And of course, you have those friends, right? So here's something uh, that I might ask you to do is get a piece of paper and write down your family members and your friends and write one positive attribute about each person that you really just admire about them. Even if it's one that you're not getting along with, because everyone has a good side. And guess what? The next part is write a couple gratitude sentences about that person. So, an example, I will say for my son, like, um, one thing I love about him is he's a good father, right? So I may be like, oh, I'm so grateful that such and such is, well, I'll tell you my son's name. I'm so grateful that Nate is a good father. I love how he interacts with his children, how he spends time with them, how he teaches them things and encourages growth. Oh my God, that is so beautiful, right? So when you're sending out your birthday cards, your holiday cards, or whatever to this person, or having coffee, or just on the phone with them, how could you change their day in a positive way by sharing what you wrote about them and how much they're appreciated? That is giving, you guys. That is the law of giving, right? Giving and receiving. So practice that. Um, and I appreciate you for coming to the affirmation session. And I know that you're going to have a wonderful day. And if you guys have a coffee date or happy hour, have a drink for me too. So until next time, you guys, make sure you share and invite a friend to do our affirmation sessions with us. Become part of the Earrings by Angela family. Like this video if it helped a lot. Comment, say hello, or hey, good morning, I joined today, you know, or give us an affirmation or something that you love about your family. I gave you one of mine. What's one thing that you love about your family or your friend? Share in the comments. Let's spread the love. So until next time, you guys, peace and blessings to you all, and have a wonderful day.